Have you heard? ChatGPT just rolled out its new image generation feature, and honestly, it may have just surpassed Nano Banana. Hey y'all, it's your girl Missy, and today I'm about to show you this upgraded feature inside my favorite AI tool, ChatGPT. Now, if you found me from this video right here, then trust me, you are going to love this update because it makes image generation so much easier. And that's exactly what we like around here. AI made easy. So here's what's new. ChatGPT image creation is now faster, more creative, and way better at getting details right. And that is a huge plus if you are trying to create consistent AI characters using only a reference image and a prompt. You can transform selfies into professional headshots, remove backgrounds, turn your life into a comic strip, create birthday cards, invitations, social media graphics, and even generate 3D avatars and stylized characters. And the best part? You can use this image generator completely free inside ChatGPT. So, let's jump in. When you open ChatGPT, you'll see the prompt box. And remember, a prompt is simply a set of instructions telling ChatGPT what outcome you want. Now you have two options. You can type "create an image" directly into the prompt box, or you can click the button underneath that says "create an image." We're going to click the button. Once you do that, ChatGPT gives you different image ideas and styles to explore and experiment with. Let's check them out. Now, we're going to start with 3D avatars because that is one of the first things we need for our Faceless Freedom business. Once you choose an option, ChatGPT automatically generates a prompt for you. And this right here is what makes AI easier for beginners. You don't always have to know what to write from scratch. So here's the prompt it gave me. Create a premium, glossy 3D designer toy render of the subject using the uploaded image as the only reference. Render one floating head per person, no duplication, cropped cleanly below the jaw with a visible neck and full head comfortably framed. You can pause and read the rest of the prompt, but it also lays out the style, aesthetics, lighting, and background. I will also leave this prompt in the description. Now, honestly, I don't really think this is exactly the direction we're looking for. But let's run it anyway and see what happens. Since it asked for an image, we're going to upload a photo of Jomel and hit the arrow button to generate. After about a minute, this is what we got. Cute, right? Now, if you like the image, you can click the download button and save it directly to your files. But even though it's cute, it still wasn't exactly what I wanted, especially if I'm trying to create a more consistent avatar. So I asked ChatGPT to create me a detailed prompt for a 3D Pixar-style character. Now listen, you do not have to use Pixar style. You can use whatever style fits your vibe. I'm just a little biased. But here's the cool part. ChatGPT created the entire detailed prompt for me. I didn't have to figure all that out by myself. And that is what makes this feature so beginner-friendly. The prompt lets us describe things like the outfit, the pose, the environment, the lighting, even the overall aesthetic. And then ChatGPT gave me additional style suggestions like DreamWorks style, Fortnite cinematic style, stylized vinyl collectible, hyper-real animated movie character, soft, cozy animated aesthetic. And one of the most important tips it gave me was this. Always upload a clean, forward-facing image, neutral lighting, minimal filters, and clear, visible eyes. That dramatically improves consistency across AI image generation tools. So next, I copied the prompt and customized it for what I actually wanted. Here are some of the changes I made. I changed the outfit, the pose, the environment, and even placed the character outside at a coffee shop with a laptop. Now, I wasn't sure if referencing Starbucks was going to work, but I tried it anyway. Then I ran the prompt and immediately realized, oh crap, I forgot to upload the reference image. So I ran it again with the image attached. And wow, I was seriously impressed. Both images looked really good, but the version with the reference image attached had much more detailed and accurate facial features. And that got me thinking. If you continue creating images inside the same conversation thread, ChatGPT may continue referencing that original uploaded image unless you replace it with another one. So naturally, I had to test it. I kept the same prompt, but uploaded the first newly generated image as the new reference image to see what would happen. And honestly, the results stayed pretty consistent. Then I tried it again in a completely new chat. Same prompt, different thread, uploaded the reference image, and bam! She's adorable! And honestly, I can absolutely see us using these kinds of images for content creation, branding, avatars, thumbnails, all kinds of stuff. So, what do y'all think? And trust me, we've barely scratched the surface of what this tool can actually do. So, go experiment with it. Play around, test different prompts, try different styles, and definitely share your creations in the comments because Jomel responds to all of them. Well, this wraps up today's AI Made Easy video. I'll leave the prompt template ChatGPT created down in the description and comments to help you get started. But don't be afraid to experiment and create your own prompts too. That's part of the fun. And in some upcoming videos, we're going to test even more ChatGPT image features and prompts for creating consistent AI avatar content. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.